My name is Sumit Saxena. I run Insights Data Labs. We have been a market research organization for now 8 years. We started as media specialists. Typically, we will go and talk to customer about their preferences, whether it's about media or if it's about a particular product or service. And that's what we do. We'll look at the data and we'll insight it and give our advice or recommendations to brands to improve their product or services. It is imperative for any brand, if they want feedback from their customers, to go where the customers are rather than getting the customers to where they want them to come. So the idea was actually because people are spending so much time on messaging apps today, to actually get them to answer or give feedback to the brands and get it from a medium that they are familiar with, a medium that they're very comfortable using. I needed somebody who would be a tech partner to me. So for that, I mean, of course, you need skills and ability to code, but you also need the ability to actually think big, bring the product or the idea of the product, translate it from what I have in my mind into a tech project. The ability to not just code, but also to think big, and then from thinking big to actually breaking it down into a process that can be implemented. I also was looking for somebody who has experience of working with startup teams. So, and because you come from a startup background yourself, and having built a very successful startup yourself from scratch, you understood how startups work. And I think for me, that was one of the critical deciding factors. I needed somebody who can help me think through this process and not just to go and implement a set of codes. I needed somebody who can help me think through the technical aspects of it also. So, and we've had various discussions on some things that I have told you that, listen, we need it because this is what the market research requirement is. And then you have gone back and framed it in a way that technically how it can be implemented. And I think that synergy is what I was looking for and what I got. I think for the first whole month, Sandeep, you and I just sat through the requirements, right?
Yes.
So if there were 5 story ideas or five things we wanted implemented, I think we would have converted those 5 items into 50 or 60 line items, so that we have every detail down to the T. A lot of heavy lifting in terms of planning and all was done earlier. You walked me through the process of why this is important and why it's important to think of it upfront rather than trying to retrofit it later. And then to sit through discussions with various designers and UI experts on how it should be implemented. I think you and I did a bunch of interviews together with UI UX experts to figure out who the right person would be. So it's not just, again, so this is the partnership model, right? I see you as somebody I can collaborate with, somebody I can bounce off an idea with and say, okay, Sandeep, this is what my customer is asking me. Should I be doing this, or is it too complicated? It's too complicated, or is it something that would break the product in other parts? So you're not just somebody who thinks technology, but you have the ability to think business as well.